What do you think?
Jamie, when you said we're on for a messy one, I didn't fucking think you meant that.
What do you mean? This is the best eaten mess in town.
When someone says they're going to take you for a night out, typically they mean a couple of boozers and a lovely little kebab.
Listen, my dear boy, wouldn't you rather celebrate our brand new collaboration by proverbially breaking bread?
No, I'd rather have a lovely little beer.
What is that?
If I give you that and you have a lovely little toot on that,
What is it?
get it down, ya. Come on, look.
Fucking hell.
I'm really sorry about this, Ryan. You need to get Mr. Kittens out of here now.
Robin!